Have you ever wondered why our universe is made mostly of matter instead of antimatter? Today, we delve into this cosmic mystery. At the Big Bang's moment, scientists believe equal amounts of matter and antimatter were created. But what happened to all that antimatter? If there was exactly equal amounts of both, they would have annihilated each other, leaving only pure energy, or photons. But we see matter dominating today. This imbalance, known as asymmetry, suggests that some matter survived the annihilation process, leading to our current universe. Theories like baryogenesis suggest a slight imbalance in particle interactions at early times favored matter over antimatter. Understanding this process is crucial for cosmology. It helps explain the matter-survived third 2000 years, structure of galaxies, and the formation of stars and planets. While we've made strides, the exact mechanism remains a mystery, a fascinating field for ongoing research in particle physics. So there you have it, the enigma of matter and antimatter. What do you think was the most surprising part? Share your thoughts below.